Work, work.
Oh,
You went for that on the, so it's like the word Charlie. Those R's, you got to smash them out because
so every R is out. How does
well,
it work?
not if it's at the beginning of a word. So Roger Rabbit. It's not Roger Rabbit. It's Roger. It's all at the front. Roger Rabbit.
Roger Rabbit.
Very nice. Work is going to change to work.
Work.
Nice. How are you going to write that? Work.
No, no R for sure.
Yeah. So, hi, my name is Charlie. I work at a cafe in Soho and I live in Brixton.
Hi, my name is Charlie. I work at a cafe in Soho and I live in Brixton.
That's very good. Excellent. That's really, really good. You're a very quick study. I think you're going to do great.